Hello everyone. Do you want to create a Telegram group to discuss and promote meme coins? I will show you exactly how to set up a thriving group to connect with fellow enthusiasts. So now let's get started. First, open the Telegram app and tap the menu button. Select new group and add a few initial members, through friends or collaborators. Choose a catchy name for your group that reflects the meme coin vibe. Next, add a unique and eye-catching group icon. Go to Group Info, click the pencil icon, and upload a fun image related to meme coins. This helps your group stand out. Now tap on the ground permissions and configure settings to control who can post, share links, or add members. You might also want to assign a new trusted admins to help manage the group. Now share your group link across social media platforms, forums, and meme coin communities. You can find the link under group info, invite link, create engaging posts to attract like-minded members. And that's it. Your Telegram group for meme coins is all set. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.